Alrighty, so we got this month's flip in. Well, month like 14th flip, but we got this month's flip in, and it's a 2002 Yamaha Blaster. These are good little bike, 200cc 2-strokes.
And you match it.
Huh?
You match the bike.
Yeah, I know. Just for this video, that's what I did.
There you go.
But today they put these big old stupid tires on it that rub. Come check this out in the rear. Well, we got a Jake brake that might be coming by. But well, they took it off. So they put all these like weird like spacer things on it because these tires are rubbing. You guys just kind of rednecked it, honestly. I don't know. But we're gonna get her fixed up. So we're gonna get these mud boggers that are supposed to go in a mud bogger, not a little light machine like this, and then throw these good old freaking ITPs on them with some little alloy wheels. So we're gonna get these on them. Be a lot better suited. Well, we're gonna have to pump them up a little bit.
Look a little different, huh?
Yeah, these might. We just had these ones laying around. Hopefully they look good enough on it. We'll see. They might be a little too small, but we're gonna get them thrown on. Get these.
They look better than those.
Yeah, get these off of here, and then
give it a wash.
Give it a wash, and then get it listed. So let's jack it up real quick and get these suckers off.
Gonna have to pull off the. Goodness gracious. The guy we bought it from was such a character.
Alright, now come check this out, guys.
Got semis all over the place. Was that satisfying or what?
Holy smokes.
That's how to modify your blaster the right way. Right there.
Last one. God dang.
On backwards.
Please never.
On backwards.
Don't let you run better like that, though.
We'll give it to him for $5,000.
$5,000, maybe that's a little steep, but
no.
Yeah. Alright, here we go again.
You get all of them in one shot? I think that's the axle.
Alright, ready? Yeah. Oh. That one wasn't so satisfying.
Why does this side have bolts and that one doesn't?
Get that down, then we'll bend.
Silly guessing. Dog.
Alright, now that we're back, we're gonna snug them up. And then
get in there real deep like.
Yep. That's how you do it. Then we'll hop over here. All of our fancy smanchy tools. Bam.
She's a fresh unit.
Add a fresh twist. Grab the freshy tire. Not bad.
Oh. Almost fell on my butt. Nice. That looks a lot better.
Locked and loaded.
Okay. Got it. At the car wash, we spray off real quick. Make it real nice and shiny. And then go put the tires up and get her some pictures and listed. Spray her off right, real nice and clean like. Oh. All hell.
Kind of sounds like root beer.
What?
I might drink it.
Candy shop. Candy paint. Candy cotton candy. With this premium car wash, we're for sure getting 5 out of it. Oh, she's clean now. All minty. That's a blue rocket right there, you know what I say.
That's a nice kind of diamond.
Alright. Hey, no more of that. She done blew up. Still running though.
Ready?
Nice, dude.
Alright, so we got her all cleaned up and then we had a mud storm. So, terrible thing if you never heard of one. But we got her all cleaned up and she's ready to sell, so we took some pictures of her and we'll put her on the marketplace.
We'll go over the logistics a little bit later.
Yeah, we'll go over it after we sell it and we see if we're crazy on our prices or not. Did you hear my truck bark getting onto the freeway?
Huh? See ya, boy. See ya, Buster. Nice.
Let me do the talking.
Okay, what's up? We got the money from the blaster.
Which one? Are we talking about the 2002 Yamaha 6-speed blaster we just sold?
Yep. So all we did to it, we picked it up for $1,000. We took the mud bogging wheels off. Jace took all the spacers off and stuff.
Yep.
And then gave it a nice quick quack car wash.
Literally just a quick whack. Not nothing spectacular.
And then we sold it. I listed for $2,500, which is crazy for a blaster, but that's what the market is right now. And I listed for a couple weeks. Somebody offered me $2,000. They drove a couple hours actually, and came and picked it up today. So that's it. We're on the next one.
Quick $1,000 profit for doing literally just a wheel swap. So
time to go buy the next
pretty simple
piece of turd. So
but,
pretty simple process on this one. And that's the deals we look for, is just the good deals that people need to get rid of them and we go pick them up.
People that are hurting a little bit for some money, so we can go help them out and make a little ourselves.
And that's it. So on the next project, got some money for flipping a blaster.
Now time to go buy some bull bikes.
Oh wait,